So I've talked about this stock in the month of December as well as in the month of January, and the stock went up to 190 or 200%. But with the recent correction, it's been up by 80%, I think. Now the trend doesn't change like that because you have someone based a rally, and it depend upon how individual approach. So the rally has actually started from 60 cents and it went up to three and a half dollars. So it's a 470% move. So obviously, if there is any correction, you must welcome that. No pun intended. Now, the thing is, as I told you, the correction, small term correction or this kind of correction, won't change the trend. If you are looking into daily chart pattern and if you are concerned about what's happening today, unless there is something fishy going on, you need not to bother much about this. Okay, now what we are going to discuss here is obviously the trend forward, but definitely check my previous video along with this video to get a sense of the entire trend. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of Salarius Pharmaceuticals. And if you are looking at this stock, so let me take you to the line chart. Then this is the most important level for you right now. Okay, what is this? This is the breakout zone, and I am using line chart instead of candlestick chart. So the level which you need to look at will be 1.55, and if the stock falls below this level, there is no need to carry any further position on the downside, or I mean you can hold up to 1.5. Okay, so till this level, in between 1.5 1.55, but don't try to go below these levels, otherwise the stock may again go back to 64 cents. Now, as I told you, the stock after moving 400 or 500%, it is taking a pause. So you need to have a sense about the entire trend and what's the current trend is telling you. Okay, so as I told you, on the downside you have this level, on the upside you will again have 3.6 as your next target. Okay, but if the stock sustain above 3.6, it doesn't mean that the road has changed. So you have your long-term trend intact. So if you can hold it, so that's why sometimes daily price action, daily changes, and when the market becomes volatile, and it's not like you'll have caps on the stock so that stock will not move beyond a certain limit. So if a stock can move 100% or 200%, everybody feels happy, but one can't realize about the trend and how it has moved and what's the current level. And that's why you need to have plan. Okay, because it doesn't matter whether the stock is a good one or bad one, everything will fall and everything will go down beyond a certain point. So if you know these things and if you know how to take your profits on regular basis, it would be beneficial for you. Anyhow, as I told you, the stock is currently moving in between 1.5 and 3.6. So no need to carry anything below 1.5. On the upside, you have your first resistance at 3.6. But what we are looking at will be these levels. So after the stock makes a breakout and sustain above 3.6 or 3.7, you have 5.3, 7.6, then you have 13, 18, and it can extend up to this level, $24. So there is a visibility of all these levels, but approach all this level on individual basis. Don't try to become greedy, understand the trend and approach each and every level on individual basis and trail your stop losses accordingly. And it will take time, it will definitely take time. It will take couple of weeks or months, unless the market big buying again comes back and the stock started moving. But in that scenario, the basic thing but very important thing to understand is you should know how, when, and where to take profits. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.